Station 7. Balance skills. Teach your kids great bike handling and balance. Learning to react instinctively to sudden hazards will help avoid most crashes on bicycles and the most severe crashes involving motor vehicles. The slow race teaches balance while staying in your lane. On the road, you would ride 3 feet to the left of the curb, parked cars, and any other hazards.
Take your time and control your bicycle. Add a second person to the figure eight to work on communicating while riding together. Practice these skills until you are a master. Then, add distractions and friends on bikes. Simulate riding in traffic with a group of friends. Drivers, slow down. Wait until it is safe to move over and pass. Be prepared for kids to swerve and turn unpredictably.